Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another weird radio. I don't know whether to like this radio or hate this radio, or I don't know. Anyway, what happened is a couple of shows ago, last week, I went through my list on Amazon of radios that I were thinking about, and asked for your inputs of which ones I should get. There was about a dozen of them, and this was one of them. And my good friend Thomas, longtime supporter, took the top three on the list. Now the list was in order by when I put the item on the list, not in order of ones I wanted the most. So that was the order. So he just took the top three and he bought them and sent them to me. And this was in the top three. And the reason this one was on my list is, number one, it's an emergency radio. It has NOAA. Number two, it's red. I like red radios. And number three, it was very, very cheap. It's right now it's $8.99. And it's AM and FM. So that's why it was on my list. Well, I've been playing with it. Comes with cloth carrying strap, about a 12-inch telescopic antenna, earphone jack. It runs on 2 AA batteries. There we go. It is red. The case looks okay. The dial is pretty good. It's easy to read. A little hard to tune, but easy to read. It's got a power indicator when it's on. Here is the tuning knob, the volume, and the band select, plus it's on and off. Hello, camera. There you go. And there's, on the back, it tells you the functions. So, it's not a bad looking radio. But if you want to listen to music, no, you won't use this unless you use some earphones. Then it's okay. Let me illustrate. Turn the volume. We turn it back on FM, and it's tuned to, or was tuned to, the station I use to test FM reception, which is over in Tampa at the University of South Florida. It should be still tuned to that.
When the Trump administration said they would shut down this bridge tunnel project to New York, if that would have a major impact, and seemingly not. Chattarelli is doing perhaps better in the polls than
audio is
so,
very
he's
tinny.
Still well behind, not within the margin of error.
And then every once in a while,
it's an important race to watch.
it picks up noise.
A bellwether for where
there it is.
We're headed in next year's midterms.
That's New Jersey. Then there's Virginia, which one way or the other is
which
about
is
to have its first
probably
woman governor
from
in
the
running
electronics
for
in
governor.
my office here.
Republican Lieutenant Governor Winsome Earl Sears.
And we can
on
go
the
to
other side, Democrat
the weather band
congressional
and turn the volume up. And it will tune receive 2 stations.
Sunday, northeast winds around 10 knots. Seas around 2 feet.
And that's
Wind
fine.
detail, northeast 2 feet at 3 seconds and west 1 foot at 7 seconds.
There's nothing wrong with that.
A slight chance of showers in
Since
the
it's a voice, somebody speaking
afternoon. 15 knots.
from NOAA weather,
Around 2 feet.
the audio is fine. So,
Northeast 2 feet at
bottom line,
1 foot at 5 seconds.
it's not a bad radio. And it is an emergency radio. It does have NOAA. And it's only $9. So, maybe it's not a bad choice after all. Here's the manual.
North winds 15 to 20 knots.
It's so thin I can't get it open. Oh, it opens the other way.
Northeast winds around 10
Not much to it.
seas 3 to 5 feet.
There is no sound. Please turn up the volume. Jeez. Okay. This is unbelievable. Oh, the darn. Oh my gosh, I can't believe the spam calls. We're getting about 20 to 30 spam calls a day on our landline phone. And there's another one all day long. Oh my gosh. And they start about 8 o'clock in the morning and they end about 8:30 at night. Anyway, I'm going to say, yeah, this is an okay radio. Not fantastic, not good for listening to FM music, but for an emergency radio, that you want to listen to broadcast or you want to listen to NOAA, and the receptions, it does receive quite well. It's just the speaker is not too good. You use the earbuds, headphones, it's okay. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Thomas, for buying these radios for me. And have a great day. Bye-bye.